Africa has faced centuries of trials, from colonization to poverty to political struggles. Yet through every storm, one truth remains: the spirit of Africa cannot be broken. For decades, Africa has been seen only through its struggles, the wars, the hunger, the poverty. But behind those headlines, there are people, ordinary men and women who refuse to give up. Across the continent, a new generation is rising. Students who dream of leading their nations. Farmers who turn dry soil into green harvests. Entrepreneurs building businesses from nothing. These are the heroes shaping Africa's tomorrow. Great leaders have reminded us that Africa's destiny is in its own hands. From Mandela's fight for freedom, to Sankara's call for self-reliance, to today's young leaders like Ibrahim Traoré, the torch of hope continues to burn. Africa is not just a land of problems, it is a land of promise. A continent rich in culture, faith, and resilience. Every day, millions wake up with one goal: to build a better tomorrow. This is the story of Africa, a story of resilience, of struggle, of hope. The story is not over, because Africa is still writing its future, and you are part of it.